White Rose Hobbies, located in York, Pennsylvania, West York. We've been in business for about 15 years, and this is our first time at the show here. So,
oh, great to see you guys.
We're excited to be here. Yeah, it's gonna be an awesome day.
Yeah. And where's your store located?
It's on West York. It's in West York on.
It's right on. What's the main
It's
street?
on 30.
It's on 30. Right on 30. Right on Route 30. Yes.
Oh, wow.
West Shore. Yeah.
Very easy to get to.
Very easy to get to.
Right.
Yeah. we never.
I live about a mile from here, and it's a 50-minute drive to the store from here.
All right, great. And glad to see you guys out here. Glad to see other hobby shops coming out here. And for the viewers of Dakman Productions, make sure you check out White Rose Hobbies now.
White Rose Hobbies, York, Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And the question I have is, what scales do you guys sell?
We
Everything.
sell Z gauge, G gauge, O gauge, O scale. We don't have much in the O scale, HO and N.
All right.
Yeah.
So
And S, I'm sorry. We also have American Flyer.
yeah, I see a lot of the HO guys talk about you guys in a good way, of course. But yeah, great selection. So we're going to check out your table.
Yep.
And
we have full layouts
We have
too at the
layouts,
show,
we have
so
an
that
O-gauge layout.
at the store, so people can come see actually Trainz in action. So that's really awesome. And we have really cool stuff here today. We got scale Trainz, N gauge, HO, awesome stuff. So we're really excited. People are gonna be freaking out to see all the stuff we got today.
all right.
Yeah.
Hope to see you guys in at future shows here.
Yes, hopefully.
I'm sure you will.
First of many, hopefully. Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
This guy here, Sean. Awesome.
Yes. Yeah. They're usually prime. We got these. These are online.
Just online.
Well, everything is.
Everything's online.
Okay, they're just online.
No. They're either available in the store or online.
Okay, I was just wondering about what because
Black Creek Prime Run.
I do actually. One. I have a dash 9. Maybe we should have some.
Oh yeah, you gotta go over the sketching, yeah. I'll go over it a little bit. I want to see it in real life.